Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to take a product on Sellfy. So, setting up a Sellfy store is a straightforward process, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-to-step guide to help you get started. So, watch the video to the very end to understand the process. So, first thing you have to do is to sign up. So, if you don't already have an account, so just sign up on the Sellfy website. Then after that, verify your email. So after signing up, verify your email address to activate your account. Then once that is done, open your email to verify and start adding products to your website. So once you do that, you can now sell digital products, physical products, or sell certified print on demand features. After that, customize your store appearance by hiding products, description, price, and image. You can also embed Sellfy checkout onto your existing website. And after that, connect your PayPal or you can also connect your Stripe account to receive payment from customers. And after that, select a plan that suits your needs. Sellfy offer different plans based on the annual revenue on your expect to generate, and that fits.